Hello everyone! We are in Thailand now. Yes, it is exciting.
All bags are here. Good.
Come on, let's take a taxi to the ferry port. We go to Koh Samui today.
Ferry Port? Okay.
Look at the sea. It is so blue and beautiful.
Yes. The wind feels nice on my face.
I like this. We are really going to the island.
Welcome to Koh Samui.
Thank you.
We are here, Koh Samui at last.
This place looks amazing.
I'm so excited. Now we to the hotel.
I cannot wait to see the beach.
Hello, we have a booking. Name is Emma Clark, 3 nights. Welcome to Ocean Breeze Beach Resort. Your rooms are ready. The hotel is direct on the beach. You can walk straight to the sand from the garden. That is perfect. Have fun and make good memories. We will. Thank you so much. Wow, the hotel is right on the beach. No road. The sand is so soft under my feet.
Come on. Let's go into the water. It is warm.
Today we try the banana boat. Are you ready?
Shit.
Yes, but I'm a little scared.
It will be fun. Hold on tight.
That was so exciting. I laughed the whole time. My heart is still beating fast.
Best day ever. Thank you for planning this, Emma.
You two are my best friends. These moments are special. 3 days went so fast. Yes. We swam, rode the banana boat, took photos, and laughed every day.
I will remember this trip forever.
Thank you both. I love our friendship. We will come back one day.